This meditation will help them to realize that they love you and make them show their love to you. This meditation impacts your mind without you realizing it. If you believe in this meditation totally, whatever you desire will be yours. Now let's begin. They realize that they love me. They understand that they love me. They know that they love me. I'm the only one they love. They realize my worth. They realize their feelings for me. They deeply know that they love me. They show me that they love me. They embrace their love for me. They show fully their love for me. Everybody knows that they love me. They realize my true worth and understand my importance. They stop lying to themselves or anyone else and admit their true feelings for me. They realize that they love me and nothing else matters. They have realized their true feelings for me and they can't deny them anymore. They understand the depth of their love for me and it's undeniable. They know that I'm the only one that they love and I am irreplaceable. They have realized my true worth and they are willing to do whatever it takes to get me back. They know that they love me. They realize their feelings for me. They realize they love me and finally act on their feelings. They stop lying to themselves and acknowledge that they love me. They embrace their love for me and no longer repress it. They show their love for me openly and honestly. They knew all along that they loved me. They always knew my worth and that I was the only one they could ever love. They embrace their love for me and fully show it now. I am the only one they have feelings for. They have realized and acknowledged that they love me. Everything is proving to them that they love me. They know that I'm the one for them and that there's no denying it. They stop hiding their feelings for me. They stopped acting like they don't have them. They show them proudly and happily. It has become clear to them that they love me and they can no longer ignore it. They understand how deep and powerful their love for me truly is. They know that I am the only one they will ever love. They start to acknowledge all the love they have for me in their mind. They finally realize their true feelings for me. They realize that they love me and there's nothing they can do to stop it. They realize the importance of their love for me and they understand it fully. They know how important I am to them. They discovered that their love for me is deeper than they could ever have imagined. They have always been in love with me, but was just in denial. They realize that they are in love with me. They know that they can't deny their feelings for me any longer. I am the only one who holds a special place in their heart. Now that they are aware of their feelings, they can't help but express them fully and passionately. I am the only one they love, the only one they can love. They have realized my worth and they understand how valuable I am to them. They no longer are in denial about their feelings for me. They embrace them and accept them. The truth is undeniable, and they show this to me through their acts and their words. Everyone knows how much they love me, and they are not ashamed of this. They realize their love for me. They understand why they love me. They know that they love me. I am the only one they have feelings for. They see me for my worth and realize my importance. They realize that they love me. They stop lying to themselves about their feelings. They realize that they love me so much and can't live without me. They stop pretending that they don't love me. They know that they do. They realize that I am the best one for them, and they want to be with me forever. They show me that I am the only one they love, and that they want to spend all their love and time on me. Every word they say and action they do screams that they are madly in love with me and can't let me go. They were just lying to themselves at first because they were afraid of falling in love, but now is completely aware and embraces their feelings for me. They express their love to me openly and freely without any fears. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, they express their love for me openly and freely without any fears to affirm. If you would like the sleep version of this meditation to make them realize they love you while you sleep, head to my Patreon, linked in the description box below. You will manifest unmistakable results into your reality every time you listen to this meditation. Subscribe for more content like this, and if you need help manifesting love, try my ultimate obsessed love spell by clicking the link down below or by heading to joybyjanell.com. Thank you for watching, and click on this next meditation for more.